Good afternoon, my dear children. Today what we have seen? Measurement, right? Measurement, it represents the quantity. Okay, it's quantify the things. Sometimes it's used to compare any objects, or it helps to determine the size. I don't want to go very detailed. Said to be measurement. We have two standard unit, US standards and metric system. But here we are going to only comparing the object. We can say big, small, tall, short, then heavy, light, many things. Okay, let me explain you with an example before going to an exercise. Okay, look at here. Circle the object that is big. Circle the object that is big. You can see two burger here, right? We are going to circle which one is big. Which one is big? So you know which one is big. Just by seeing, you can see the second burger is bigger size when compared to the first one. And look at here. Two ice creams they have given here. See, which one is big? Which one will you pick up if I show this two ice cream? Only the biggest one you will pick up, right? So, obviously the first one is the big ice cream. So, round it. The first one is the big ice cream. Can you understand this? Okay. Now, second example. Look at this. Which is shorter? First one. You know, the first ladder is very big when compared to the second one. Here the question is, which one is shorter? So, which one is shorter? The second one is shorter. Which is taller? First one or second one? Taller. Taller means height. It represents you the height. Which one is taller when compared to the both? So this pine tree is taller when compared to the first one. So circle the first one is the taller one when compared to the second one. This is kind of a comparison. First we have seen which one is big. Now second we are seeing which one is tall, short. Now select the heavier object. Third example, select the heavier. Heavier means which has more weight. Heavier means which has more weight. Okay. First one or second one, look at here. First one is stapler, second one is pencil. If you are carrying stapler in one hand and pencil in another hand, which one will weigh more? Which one will be heavier to lift when compared to these two? When compared these two, stapler is heavier, right? Stapler is heavier. Look at here, apple and watermelon. Just by the vision you can see apple is lighter weight, right? Easily you can lift it out. But watermelon is not like that. It is heavier when compared to apple. When compared to most of the fruits, watermelon is the heaviest one, right? So here we can select the heavier object. Okay, my dear children, first what we have seen? Which one is big and small? Big and small. And which one is tall? And now which one is heavy? Tall, short we have seen. Now heavy and lighter. Now can you see? Tick the box under biggest object and cross out the box under small object in each group. Here there are given 4 cups. Okay, first we are going to tick the biggest one. Okay, so you can tick the biggest one here, yellow color cup, right? You can tick the biggest one. excuse me. Okay, tick the biggest one. And here cross out the smallest one. Okay, which one is the smallest? Last one is smallest, right? So I cross out the smallest one. This one is the biggest one and this one is the tallest one. Okay, now I wanted you people to do the same thing in ascending order. Sorry, in descending order. Okay, which one is the biggest here? First one, we are going to number from biggest to the smallest. Which one is the biggest here? Yellow cup is the biggest one. Can you see the size? Okay, yellow cup is the biggest one. So, can we write the number here? 1. Okay, 1 minute. Sorry, 1 minute. Then, the second one, which one is the? Now leave the yellow cup. Now compare the other 3 cups. Which one is the bigger one when compare the 3? Yes, obviously the green one. Right? Okay, now we have only 2 options. Purple color, violet color and the pink or peach color. Okay, this 2 cup. Which one is the bigger when compare this to? Yes, this purple cup. So I can put number here 3. Now the last one. This one is the 4. Because there is no option, so the last smallest one. Okay, this is the smallest one when compared to all. Okay, now you see the order. Can you see the order? The first one is this yellow color is the biggest cup, then the green cup, then the purple cup, finally the peach color cup. 4 one. Can you see this? Is it easy? Of course, is it easy if you listen carefully. So we have seen which one is small, big, tall, short, heavier, lighter. Now we have compared with 4 objects. Which one is the bigger? Which one is the biggest? Which one is the smallest? Also we have made the order from biggest to smallest. Got it, my dear children? Now we can go for book exercise. Okay, my dear children, one by one book I will explain. First, this is orange color book. Okay, my dear children, do this exercise. This is not exercise, this is just knowing about yourself. Do it by yourself. Okay, look at here. This is in orange color book. Okay, don't get confused. Take page number 127. Okay, take page number 127. Chapter 8, measurement. These are my handprints. Already you have seen this in UKG, KG3, right? These are my handprints at different ages. Circle the biggest one and tick the smallest one. Circle the biggest one and tick the smallest one. Okay, which one here is the biggest one? Which one here is the biggest one? Yes, the red color is the biggest one. Can you see the size? Comparing the sizes. So this one is the biggest one and the smallest one they are asking you to tick. Which one is the smallest one? This one or this one? See, this one is small when compared to this. So tick the smallest one. Second one, these are my favorite toys. Circle the heaviest one and tick the lightest one. Look at here, this look very big. Actually, this is not the size of the actual thing, right? This is size of the toy. So they given bigger car, smaller elephant and the smallest ball. Which one is the heavier here when you lift? If you are having a toy, small elephant and the big car will weigh more, right? So the heaviest one here in the case of toys, car. Then which one is the lightest one? Ball, because they given smaller size when compared to the elephant. So here the lightest one is ball. Third one. This too is very easy, my dear children. Which one holds the most? Which one holds the least? Most means, understood, more. To the maximum is said to be more. Less, the maximum of less is said to be least. Okay, the maximum of less is said to be least. Look here. Here, full glass, right? Full glass of coffee, whatever. Here only 3/4. Here it is only half of the glass, right? Now tell me, which one is the most cup here? I mean most volume here. Which one holds the most volume? More. Which one is the more volume here? So the first one, which holds like a coffee, is more. So I am circling it. And take the one that holds the least. Here 3/4 are there, but here only half of the cup. So I can take it. Now the last one is your homework, long and short. It's easy, right? Do by yourself. Okay, we can see the next book now. Take page number 121 in yellow book. Okay, ring the one that is, okay, first one. Which ice cream is big? This one or this one? Yes, obviously this ice cream is the biggest one. Right? Now second, which one is long? Can we measure? Look at the line. See? This one and this one. This look very shorter. This line is very shorter, right? So this comb look very longer. Round it. Third one. Which one is very heavy? That means which one is weighing more weight. This pumpkin or grapes? If you carry pumpkin on one hand and the grapes on other hand, which one will weigh more? Obviously, the pumpkin will weigh more, right? So this is heavy. Now small. Which ice cream is small? If I ask you to pick, which ice cream you will pick? This one, right? So this is the big ice cream and this one is the small cone ice cream. Okay, now which one is short? Here they ask for the long, here they are asking for the short. Again, if you want, you can draw a line. Which line is big now? This one. And which is very short? This one. So obviously this one is the short brush. Now, same pumpkin and apple. Which one has the light weight? If you carry, which one feel very light? Easy, right? It's apple. Excuse me. Okay. Now, ring the one that is the biggest. Look at this three fish. This one is small, little bit smaller. This one is the biggest fish. This one is the biggest fish, right? Now here, which one is the longest? 1, 2, 3. Which one is the longest one? Longest caterpillar. Again, you can measure the size. So obviously this one look very long, right? Longest. If here biggest means here they are asking for the smallest. Look at this 3 frog. Which look very small. This one? No. This one? No. This one looks very small. Here, we have seen the longest, right? Now, which one is the shortest here? This one, this rat, this one. Which mouse look very short? This one, right? It looks very small when compared to the all. It looks very short when compared this 3. Now, heaviest, lightest. Look at this 3. Can you see this? Yes, elephant. It's heavier, right? And here, small cat. And here, it's camel. Which looks heavy? You know, elephant is the heaviest one when compared to all other animal. Now, lightest. Can you look at this 3? Which one is the lightest? Yes, this looks very small, right? I mean, it's easy to carry. and weight also very less when compared to this two animal. So this one is the lightest. Hope you understand this, right? Good afternoon, my dear children. Can you see these three pencils? Okay. Which one is the longest pencil among the three? Long means which one is more lengthy? Brown, orange or blue color? Yes, obviously this orange color is more lengthy when compare this two, right? Okay, now tell me, which one is the shortest in length? Which pencil is the shortest length? Yes, it's not brown, it's blue color. So longest pencil is orange color and shortest pencil is blue color. That means smaller in his length. Hope you understand this. Now look at this. Which one is smallest in size? Which one is smallest in size? Here three rounds are there. Can you see? Yes, the green one is the smallest in size. Now, which one is bigger in size? Okay, leave this one and look at this too. When compared to this, you cannot see from there, I think so. This one is the smallest one when compared to this. So, the next smaller one is this one. And this one is the biggest one. Got it? This is the smallest circle and this is the biggest circle. Got it? Now can you look at the glasses? Here there are two glasses. One glass is full of water. Another glass only half cup of water. That's it, right? Okay. If I carry the full cup of water in one hand and the other glass with half amount of water, which one weighs more? Which one will be heavier? Yes, the glass with full amount of water weighs me more. It's tough for me to carry, so it is heavier. It is heavier. The other glass has only half amount of water, so it is lighter when compared to the first one.